This video is sponsored by Eduquest. It offers skill-based course in digital marketing, stock market, coding and more. Course available in Tamil and English. Get certified and boost your career. Check the link below the description and join.
The struggle to find courses that truly speak your language, it's finally over. Welcome to Eduquest, where learning is made just for you. At Eduquest, we bring you a wide range of online courses, from career building programs to skill boosting masterclasses, all in your regional language. Because we believe language should never be a barrier to success. Our courses are tailor made after understanding what today's learners really need. So why wait? Start learning the smarter, simpler way only with Eduquest. Visit eduquestcourses and explore your next course today. And hey, don't miss out on our exciting offers and promotions.
Hello friends, today we are making this adorable and delicious spoon-shaped puff pastry. Tea time or just a fun twist on your dessert table. Let's get started. Welcome to Yummy Foodies. Step 1. Prepare the puff pastry. First, dust your work surface lightly with some flour. Place the sheet on top and roll it out gently. Now take a spoon and place it on the pastry. Using a knife, carefully cut around the spoon to get the perfect spoon shape. Repeat same process to cut more spoon shapes from the puff pastry sheet. Cut as many spoon shaped as you want, depending on how many you plan to bake. Step 2. Shape and arrange. Place the spoon-shaped pieces on a baking tray lined with a cylinder wrapped in aluminium foil. This helps give the spoon 3D shape while baking. Step 3. Decorate before baking. Now use a cutter to make some cute little from the leftover dough. Look at the beautiful shapes. Transfer this flower-shaped pastry on the baking tray. Keep the cherry on top of flowers-shaped pastry dough. Cut the remaining leftover pastry dough. Cover on top of cherry. It gives nice look. Step 4. Egg wash. In a bowl, mix 1 egg yolk with 2 teaspoons of milk. Egg wash gives golden and glossy finish. Brush this mixture gently over the pastry shapes. Finish by sprinkling sesame seeds on top for extra crunch and style. Placing tray in oven set to 200 degrees Celsius. Bake in a preheat oven for 14 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Let it cool completely. After cooling, remove the seeds. Step 5. Final touch: whipped cream and cherry. Once the pastry have cooled, add whipped cream to the spoon area. Top it off with a cherry for a sweet finishing touch. There you have spoon puff pastry, almost too cute to eat. Like, share and subscribe for more creative dessert ideas.